Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're looking at an absolutely massive shift in modern dentistry. We're moving way past the basics of 3D printing and really exploring how advanced digital workflows are fundamentally revolutionizing the predictability of implant procedures. It's this perfect, seamless blend of digital imaging, advanced manufacturing, and sheer medical expertise, and honestly, it's completely changing the game for both doctors and patients alike.
Okay, let's dive into this. Because dental implant surgery, it is not a simple procedure. The stakes are incredibly high. A dentist isn't just popping in a piece of titanium, they're navigating a highly complex, hidden anatomical landscape. Literally 1 millimeter in the wrong direction can result in some serious complications. We're talking permanent nerve damage, perforations into the sinus cavity, or an implant that just outright fails to integrate. So the big question is, how do they guarantee perfect precision when they're working around those sensitive structures?
Well, think about it this way. You wouldn't build a house without a highly detailed blueprint, right? That would be totally reckless. So why on earth would anyone drill into a human jawbone without one? For a long time, traditional dental surgery relied pretty heavily on freehand guesswork. Sure, it was a highly educated guess, but a guess nonetheless. Moving away from that freehand approach to a system that provides absolute, blueprint-level certainty is absolutely critical for patient safety.
Section 1. What are surgical guides? Moving from guesswork to digital precision, and introducing the innovative solution from Guided Excellence.
Providers like Guided Excellence are completely pioneering this space. Basically, a 3D surgery implant guide is a custom-designed physical tool that fits perfectly over a patient's unique anatomy. It literally restricts and directs the drill, so it guarantees the optimal angulation, depth, and positioning that was planned out digitally. It's essentially the ultimate physical failsafe for absolute procedural predictability. No jargon needed. It just keeps the drill exactly where it's supposed to be.
Section 2. The digital design workflow. How a digital scan becomes a physical surgical tool.
This whole process is such a fascinating journey, from software right into the physical world. Let's move to and see how this builds through 4 highly efficient steps. Step 1 is CBCT data acquisition, getting that 3D scan. Step 2 is virtual surgical planning, where you lock in the exact depth and angle. Step 3 is custom guide design and 3D printing. And finally, Step 4 is guided surgical execution, happening right there in the patient's mouth.
What's really wild here is the sheer digital power at play. We are totally replacing those messy, super uncomfortable traditional molds with sleek digital impressions. When you combine those scans with CAD/CAM design software, you map out the 3D anatomy so perfectly that it literally becomes an exact surgical blueprint. It ensures absolute accuracy. There's virtually zero room for human error during the planning phase.
Section 3. Tailored to the patient. The versatility of 3D printed guides.
Now, biology isn't uniform. Every single patient's mouth is totally unique, which means this tech has to be incredibly adaptable. There are 4 main types of guides to handle this. Tooth-supported guides anchor right onto existing teeth for rock-solid stability. Bone-supported guides rest directly on the jawbone, perfect for edentulous patients. Mucosa-supported guides use the soft tissues when teeth are missing. And finally, hybrid guides mix and match these methods for your most complex cases.
Section 4. Beyond implants. Guided apicectomy. Bringing digital precision to root and microsurgery.
So here is a pretty fascinating plot twist. This exact same digital planning is now bleeding into really advanced endodontic treatments like root and microsurgery. The contrast here is stark. Traditional apicectomies relied entirely on freehand access, which often meant removing excess bone just to hunt for a buried root tip. But now, with computer-assisted planning, the clinician is guided down to the exact millimeter through the smallest possible opening.
And this brilliantly illustrates the true value of the technology. We are transforming what used to be a highly invasive guessing game into a minimally invasive, clinically predictable treatment. By directing instruments to the exact digitally planned location, it allows for incredibly conservative bone removal and tissue preservation. You're removing the infection at the root tip without destroying the healthy anatomy around it.
Section 5. The human impact. Safer procedures, faster recovery. At the end of the day, all of this incredible tech ultimately comes down to the actual human being sitting in the chair. Because that freehand guesswork is completely gone, patients spend significantly less time in surgery, and that precise positioning actually promotes faster osseointegration. We are seeing real-world clinical trust build around this. Just listen to Dr. Sarah L., who notes, "The accuracy of these guides is second to none. My surgeries are faster, my patients heal better." That is technology making lives directly, noticeably better.
But, the success of this tech entirely relies on the human expertise behind it. Dr. Michael R. hit the nail on the head, saying, "Knowing they are designed by a clinical dentist with over 24 years of experience gives me total confidence." That is a massive takeaway. At Guided Excellence, every single custom guide is personally reviewed by Dr. Zareh Baghoomian. You aren't just relying on an algorithm, you have deep, decades-long clinical expertise validating that digital design before the 3D printer ever even turns on.
Which leaves us with a pretty profound thought to wrap up this explainer. We've seen how these 3D printed guides eliminate guesswork, prevent nerve damage, drastically streamline surgery, and accelerate healing. So, as this technology cements itself as the new gold standard and completely revolutionizes the operating room, is freehand dental surgery rapidly becoming a thing of the past? It's a powerful question about the fast-advancing future of medical tech. Thank you so much for joining me to explore this fascinating topic today. Keep learning and always keep questioning.